feel me?
Ahoy there, Captain! Yeah!
Do you feel me?
White hunk of metal doing here then?
Finally, I've got a purchaser for the engine from this old girl. She's been sat here for a while now, but I mean, pulling the engine out is the first step to a new lease of life for it, I think. So, yeah, it's got the
Show me the absolute motor.
It's got the original 2 litre B200F in it. It's a non-turbo version, so extra slow. I think it's like 110 brake, so not crazy, more than the Polo. Shots fired. Just about. But yeah, no, its clutch went on it, and then I found an engine for it, and I'd been looking for a while, so I was like, I'm not going to bother fixing the clutch if I'm just going to swap the engine. So I sold the clutch bits that I bought, and yeah, I found a purchaser for this engine.
Alright, and you're about to start ripping it out, aren't you?
I'm going to start taking out some bits and bobs. Probably take it out on Monday, but I'm just going to start disconnecting some of the lines and hoses and all the fandangos that plug into it. Yeah, and should be good to pull.
Right, sick. Let's get it.
I love pulling.
Here he is, Stinky Jim's turned up.
Do you feel me?
Way too quick.
It's in gear, surely.
Ahoy there, Captain! Icy land!
Do you feel me?
key. Never forget where your bolts go. Throw them back in. Makes life easier.
Series, it's called Gavin's Special Spray.
Is it? This offset frees these two lines. Okay.
Do you feel me?
I've got a cloth for this, but you know.
Do you feel me?
Lay it on him.
Do you feel me? Do you feel me?
Yeah, so it's out. Ripped it out, pretty easy to be honest. It's had some crusty bolts, but it's a pretty easy engine to remove.
Massive engine bay.
Massive engine bay, so loads of room.
Tiny engine.
It's small.
It's
It's not as
puny,
small as
mate.
the scimitar engine. That thing was miniature. Next step is offering up M54, which we have out back. Got some engine mounts, so see how it fits, and then
Spent loads of money on parts.
buy all the fandangos to make it operate correctly.
There you
Basically.
go.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey.
Keep an eye on our channel to follow the build and look and subscribe. Peace out, fool.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.